Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. First, you will need to download the Crypto.com app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, complete the necessary identity verification process, which typically involves providing some personal information and a photo ID. Finally, link a payment method such as a debit card or a bank account to your Crypto.com account to facilitate your purchases. Now, let's fund your account. You have a couple of primary options. You can deposit British pounds sterling directly into your Crypto.com wallet using a bank transfer, which is often a cost-effective method for larger sums. Alternatively, for quicker transactions, you can use a linked debit card to make instant purchases. Be aware that debit card transactions might incur slightly higher fees compared to bank transfers. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy Bitcoin. Open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Buy section, usually found on the home screen. From the extensive list of available cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. Then, simply enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, either in fiat currency or in Bitcoin units, and proceed to the next step. Before finalizing, carefully review all your order details, including the amount and price, to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin purchase will be processed, and the digital currency will appear in your Crypto.com wallet within a few moments. For enhanced security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.